안녕하세요 여러분. Camilla here. Today I'll be answering the question, how do you say to make a phone call in Korean? There are two Korean words you can use for saying to make a phone call. They are 통화하다 and 전화하다. They are both translated as to call by phone and can be interchangeable in most cases. 통화하다 and 전화하다 both can be used when you call someone up and have a chat over the phone. You can use the pattern 뭐뭐와 뭐뭐과 or 뭐뭐랑 통화하다. For example, 친구와 통화하다 and 친구랑 전화하다. Both means to talk with a friend on the phone. On the other hand, 전화하다 can be used when you just make a phone call to someone. You can use the pattern 뭐뭐에게 전화하다. For example, 친구에게 전화하다, meaning to give a friend a call. I hope this was helpful to you. Who do you want to call over the phone right now? Let us know in the comments below. Bye!